Clean Coders offers intuitive and down-to-earth training videos for every software professional, especially the development team at your business. Add an organization to a new or existing account on cleancoders.com to gain access to a number of tools to help you manage your team. Sort members of your organization into teams and manage and assign licenses in your collection. In order to take advantage of these helpful features, create a new account on cleancoders.com or log into your existing account. From the User menu, click the option for Add Organization. On this page, you can join someone else's organization, if you've been invited, or create a new organization. Read about organization features below, or simply watch the remaining videos in this tutorial series. Now you are ready to move on to the next step, adding users to your organization.